Now the upper arm bone is called the humerus. Now the humerus has the head, the shaft, and the distal end. We're going to look at several features on here, close up and personal, so you can learn how to identify this particular bone and how this is going to work to function. First, look at the head. This is the part that inserts into the glenoid cavity of the scapula. Now the head has a very small little region right here called the anatomical neck. Now when you look at the femur, there is a much greater neck because the head's going to go further in the femur. The head goes much further into the pelvic bone for support and stability. Here it's very shallow. Now attaching muscles to these points, you have a very large bump here. This is the greater tuberosity. The smaller bump, the lesser tuberosity. And between these is a nice little groove here where the biceps tendon comes on through. You know, attaching the bicep muscle to your scapula. Now at the distal end of the humerus, you see two distinct features. First of all, this rounded head called the capitulum. This is the point where the radius is going, the next bone down in your forearm is going to attach. Also, you have what looks like a little pulley right here, and Latin for pulley is trochlea. Now you also have two bumps on the ends that you can see from here. These are the epicondyles. This one right here on the inside is the medial epicondyle, and the one on the outside is the lateral epicondyle. Now when you look from the posterior surface or back side, you can see those condyles much better. Here again is the medial epicondyle and lateral. Now here's where the trochlea is at, and this is going to be where the next bone of the forearm, there's two bones in the forearm, I mentioned one already, the radius, but the ulna is also going to come around in here. Now there's a part of the ulna called the olecrayon process. The olecrayon process is going to fit into this little groove right here, this little hollowed out region on the back part of your arm. This is called the olecrayon fossa.